Coordinating movement in the pool can be a challenge, and it can be a lot of fun. For those of you who know Revolved, Abdomen, Jathara, Parvattanasana on land, doing it in water is really fun. To start, think of yourself as a traffic controller. You bend one elbow, open the arm. Bend the other elbow, open the arm. Bend the elbow and look away at the straight arm and switch. And switch. Now bring the knees into it. Bend your knees towards your bent elbow, look the other way. Open your chest and turn. And turn and turn. Now, once you've got your balance, make it a little more challenging. Turn, straighten your legs, keep them together. Bend your knees, twist. Straighten your legs, bend your knees, twist. Straighten your legs, and now see, can you pull your straight legs across? And twist.